Hi there. I'm starting my easy to cook series with a favorite of mine. It is Century Egg Porridge or Pei Tan Chuk in Cantonese. First, you need 200 grams of rice. Any kind will do. Thai jasmine, long grain, doesn't really matter. Clean the rice first. Pour away the white starch and rinse it about 3 or 4 times. Then put it in the rice cooker and add 1.5 liters of water. There's a stock cube there, a chicken stock cube, which you can use, or if you have chicken stock, even better. Thereafter, stir it a bit and close the lid. Soak 2 dried scallops in water overnight and use 200 grams of pork, which is sliced fine. Because my rice cooker is too small, I have split the cooking process and I've put another liter of water into a pot and put the pork in to cook over a gas fire. Once the pork is on the stove, I add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and some pepper. Then I shred the scallops and add it to my rice cooker and give it another stir. And by this time, I've also added the pork without the water. But keep that water, don't throw that away. Cover the pot for an hour. And after that, uncover the pot, add some coriander. You find that the porridge has thickened. And now on to the final stage. This is a century egg. I peeled it and now I'm going to cut it into pieces, add it as the final step into my porridge. Just before you finalize everything, you can actually take out half of the porridge from the pot. And if you wish to make it less gooey, add 1 bowl of the pork soup you set aside earlier to it. Season it with soy sauce, sesame oil, and salt. Then top with fried onions in a bowl for the best bit.